How to migrate Odoo to a new server without downtime. Hello, what we're going to discuss today is how to migrate your Odoo instance to a new server without any downtime. If you do this right, you can move everything over and your users will never notice. Step 1. Prepare the new server. Set up your new server with the same Odoo version, the same Python version, and the same PostgreSQL version you're running today. Mismatched versions are the #1 cause of migration problems. Make sure your new server has enough resources. If your old server was struggling, this is your chance to fix that. More CPU, more RAM, and faster storage like NVMe SSDs will make a real difference. Step 2. Copy your data ahead of time. Before the actual cutover, do a full database backup and copy your file store directory to the new server. The file store holds all your attachments, invoices, product images, and documents. Forgetting it is a common mistake. Restore the backup on the new server and start Odoo. Test everything. Log in, run reports, check custom modules, verify integrations. Fix any issues before you go live. Step 3. The cutover. Once the new server is ready, schedule a short maintenance window. Put your old server in read-only mode or stop accepting new transactions for a few minutes. Take a final database backup, restore it on the new server, and copy any new files added since your test run. This Delta sync is usually quick. Update your DNS to point to the new server. With a low TTL set ahead of time, the change can propagate in minutes. Step 4. Verify and monitor. Once traffic is hitting the new server, log in and verify everything is working. Check scheduled actions, email queues, and any external integrations. Keep the old server running for a few days as a fallback. But there is an easier option. If this sounds like a lot, it is. Migrations have a lot of moving parts, and one misstep can mean lost data or extended downtime. At SolaDrive, we handle Odoo migrations for free when you move to one of our managed Odoo hosting plans. Our team has done hundreds of these. We plan the migration, run the test environment, perform the cutover, and verify everything works. Most clients see zero downtime. We've been hosting Odoo since 2009 with in-house Odoo developers, optimized PostgreSQL tuning, 24/7 US-based support, and a 15-minute response time. Our servers run on NVMe SSDs across 5 data centers in Los Angeles, Buffalo, Seattle, the UK, and Asia. Reach out to us at sales@soladrive.com or visit soladrive.com to get started. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more.